they clubbing, they chilling, they.
I need one of your girls.
Which of them is your choice? Hi, come on.
No particular choice.
Esinam. Madam. This man needs your service. Do you have condom? Trust me now, madam. Make sure you use it. Of course. Now, go. He's waiting for you. Take care.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Ciao.
You guys are confused.
face. Now no one go get shekels. Let him go. Get, no want. Want, no get. When a rich man like this come my way, I need money back. Let's get. Them now gonna come your way. You look scattered. This man looks scattered. Them now gonna come, but let's get boys. Them business. Now never think about it.
Do you live here all alone?
Yes, why?
Are you not married?
I am, but my wife is in Europe.
You've got a nice place here. It's nice, very nice.
Thank you.
You know, let's hurry up. I've got other customers to catch.
Really? All right, so how about spending the night here with me?
The night?
Yes.
That would depend. If the price is good, I mean, why not? It's my job.
I see. So, how much?
800,000 cities per night.
800,000? No. I mean, it's too much.
Come on. It's not too much. Is it not $100 equivalent? I'm gonna spend the night with you. I'm gonna do everything. I don't think $100 is too much. It's a good price.
All right. I will accept your deal on one condition. That is, we do it raw. Why not?
Because my madam said it's very dangerous. Come on.
Right. That is what your madam said. What do you say? Let's say I will increase your fee to $120. Is it a deal?
Come on. You can do better than that. Okay. Make it $200. $120 is too small for the risk. I mean, check. Check it now. Check body. I'm gonna gave it to you. I mean, check it. Check. I'm gonna give it to you. I mean, body to body.
All right. I will make it $150. You take it or leave it. Is it a deal? Of course. Say she's a good negotiator. Beware, you are my next victim.
Sit down, lady. She just came.
Madam, this place too. Why? The men don't see us as women again. What is? Madam, now this place too. Have you seen that lady? Did you see her? Shame!
Mansa, make una take her easy now. Eh? Una know say this joint, now she get am. Eh? And this is our first day. Make we wait, see what God fit do now. Eh?
one customer. What is? Relax, bro. The pay still young. Yes, man. 50 seconds.
What is wrong? Oh. Were you asleep?
Oh, come on. What is the matter with you? Eh? What do you want?
Food is ready.
Food! Eh? Food! All you talk and dream about is food. When are you going to dress like those girls? Eh, Charlotte? Food. Food will kill you one day, Charlotte. Food will kill you. Charlotte, food will kill you.
Daddy, have you ever heard that food has killed somebody before? Unless the food is poisoned.
Get away and stop talking about food. Fool! Clear out of my sight.
Are you not coming to eat?
Get lost.
Why? All this while no one is at home. Dorothy. Hi. Where have you been all this while? I came home and no one was at home. Why? Where did you go?
Have you seen how it feels like to be left alone in the home?
No. Dorothy. Dorothy, will you stop that clap and tell me where you went to? Dorothy! Dorothy!
Hi, Honorable Johnson. Why? Why? Oh. Yeah.
Now,
Yes, sweetheart.
let me ask you again. Tell me exactly where you went to.
I went for some shopping. Are you satisfied?
Where is Nora? Where is Nora?
She's gone for classes. I should be home soon.
I've got some work to do in the office.
Where you
I'm
are?
gone.
As usual. Hamekura. Sisi ade. Brush my brush it. Ukoti amesoma kote. Sa. Ade. Zomi zabane. Good morning.
It'll never stop. Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead we take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.
Bravo yen to boisier. Tide wo ye bia no nyabotre. Kokosa jifa wodi me panyin tre. Ade wo hu bi da no hwe wo bi ehu abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso ginya me de se bi bia wo ne mre. Le jai se wo krome ma to pre. Ena kwesi kome kokodwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo pante ade. Ye de se wo gina ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo hu ye na go no be che wo krachi. Baba so kra my so we ni ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So